Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a quick little unboxing here. This is mix number 4 of 2026 moving parts Matchbox cars. So we're gonna crack this open. We'll open each one, throw them up on the table for you, so stick with us. All right, let's crack this guy open. And see what we've got to start here, guys. Ooh, starting strong with the yellow Integra Type S, guys. Look at that. I think this is the first time they've done the Type S in moving parts. I don't know if I've seen it in Matchbox or Hot Wheels. You'll have to let me know if this is a brand new casting. I mean, it says new for 26 up here, so I assume they haven't done the Type S before. Check it out. That is a nice casting, guys. The black wheel choice. Some nice black ground effects. The splitter up front's looking nice. I like that. Got a little extra paint on the side there on this one. Plastic wing. It's pretty sturdy though, ish. And then that back. Yeah. That's a nice new casting, guys. Ooh, there's the moving part. Did you see it? You can see the engine in there. Actually, pretty good detail on it. Pretty decent detail there. So, yeah, first one of the case. Pretty cool. All right, guys. Next up, look at this oldie but a goodie. The 1992 Buick Roadmaster with the fake wood paneling on the side. This one will sell, guys. I actually had the white version of this last year and couldn't find too many of them, but they sold pretty much right away when I made them into keychains. So this one has the opening doors. And that's a big car. It even has Roadmaster decal on the back side there. Yeah, this one looks pretty good, guys. A decent casting. The 92 Buick Roadmaster. All right, guys, next up, the Alpha Wolf electric truck. I don't know a whole lot about this truck, so I'm not sure if they still make this, if it's a thing, but it's not a bad looking little truck in flat black. It's got the roll bar and the front push bar too. Short box. It's a cool little truck with the opening doors for the moving part on this one. And the wheel choice, not too bad. It's a cool little truck. All right, let's see what's next. Ooh, the Jeep Gladiator. That's gonna be a nice one. I think they made this in the moving parts already. Just a different color this time. Look at that. The Rubicon. Like a sand color, beige color. This one, it's the opening hood that doesn't go up very far. Well, I can't get you a good shot in there, but black wheels. Jeep Gladiator, yeah, that's a nice one as well. All right, next up we got a second Jeep Gladiator, and this is a very nice one, guys. Check out what's next. The Smokey and the Bandit car, guys. That is the highlight of this case for me, at least. 77 Pontiac Firebird. Check that out, guys. The T-tops, the gold trimmed wheels, Yeah, they did a good job on this one, guys. They did a good job. And this one has the hood even better. Look at that engine bay, guys. With the hood scoop and everything. Definitely the highlight of Mix 4 Matchbox moving parts for me. I like it a lot. All right, last one, guys. Another sweet car, the 2024 718 Spider RS. So they did this one in blue, and first time in the green. And this is like, I want to say it's Python green. There's a specific green color that they made these in, but that one looks nice in the green. It's one of my bucket list cars in real life to own, is the Spider RS or the Cayman RS. Opening doors on this guy. Yeah, super, super cool casting. All right, guys, that's going to do it for the Mix 4 unboxing of Matchbox moving parts. So some pretty cool stuff, really. You get quite a good variation without a lot of duplicates. Only one duplicate in that set, the Gladiator. So let me know in the comments what your favorite one out of this set is. Definitely for me, got to go that Bandit car, and then probably the Boxster RS, but I like a lot. I like the Focus, I like that Type S. The Roadmaster's pretty cool. So thanks for tuning in, guys. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video.